figured it out. Oh my god. Oh, my life's work is complete. Alright, I gotta let people know that it takes 26 egg yolks to make mashed potatoes. Hey, what's going on? This is Reed, aka CarnivorousChef, and in today's video, I'm making loaded baked potatoes. Well, as close to baked potatoes that I can get to, which is nowhere close to an actual baked potato. But if you think about it, boiled egg yolks are almost the same texture as a cooked potato. The issue is that you probably don't want 26 boiled egg yolks in front of you, and if you do, you're a goat and there's a bag of trash waiting outside for you to eat. Now, to boil eggs is pretty straightforward. Put about 1 inch of water into a pot and bring it to boil over high heat. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to medium-high and carefully place your eggs into the water. I used a slotted spoon to do this, but tongs or a spider will work fine too. Now cover this with a lid, and here's a quick tip for all boiled eggs as far as timing. 7 minutes for a soft boiled egg, 10 minutes for a medium boiled egg, and 12 minutes for a fully boiled egg. And it's really that simple. Here I'm doing 10 minutes for a medium boil. Get yourself an ice bath ready because we want these to stop cooking as soon as your timer goes off. Okay, let's get our loaded baked potato fixins ready. I'm going classic with mine and doing bacon, scallions, and cheese. Grab 2 slices of bacon and give it a dice, and then cook it off until it's crispy. For your scallions, just slice them as thinly as you can. You only need 2 tablespoons, so 1 stalk should be plenty. And here's a side note, the scallions are optional. I completely understand if you want to keep this 100% carnivore, so skip this part if you want. For the cheese, I went with Romano, but feel free to use whatever you want. You'll just need a 1/4 cup of it shredded. Alright, for peeling the eggs, here's the easiest way I've found to do this. Grab an egg, crack it on all sides. Gently roll the egg between your hand and the surface you're working on. The shell should pretty easily come off. Discard the shell and then rinse the egg in water. Okay, let's get the rest of these finished. Split these now cleaned eggs in half and excavate the egg yolks. Add all of your cheese, all of your bacon, half of your green onions, a half cup of sour cream, some salt and pepper, and just a tiny amount of garlic powder. Mix and mash this together and place into a Ziploc bag for piping. Or just skip this and spoon the mixture into your egg halves. Mine looks a bit runny here, and it is. I got a little overzealous with the sour cream, so please follow the recipe rather than whatever amount you saw me put in. I didn't measure it. After that's done, sprinkle the rest with your scallions and a little smoked paprika. Now here's the part where I would normally eat the thing and be like, it's good and it's awesome and you should try it. And I'm still gonna do that, but I don't have any footage of that, so you should definitely try this. But for real, you should try it. It's really good. If you look past the egginess, the flavors and textures of this are quite remarkably close to loaded potatoes, other than the egg whites. That can be a little rubbery, but that's just the delivery method. We're not worried about that here. I mean, you can just put this into a bowl and scoop it out if you want to skip the egg whites, but that's no fun, is it? Well, anyways, that's the video. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you want to see more from me, hit that subscribe button and that little bell icon next to it if you want to be one of the first people to see what I put out. I also have a Patreon now, and if you're interested in that, the link is below. Currently, it's pretty bare bones, but I'll be putting out exclusive content for the members of that page, so be on the lookout for that. Stay beefy, my friends.